pretty well rust free. I mean, look at the battery tray, it's still there. It's an AC car. This is the 72 Limited Satellite Sebring Plus. I see a guy right there. Maybe it's just me, right? It's pretty cool patina. This one's got full interior. Back seat's pretty nice. I just haven't finished wiping it off yet. That blue shag carpet. Has the electric windows option. Almost there. You want to go down now? Marvelous. And she's on. Shove that back up in there. So we got a 460. It's got disc brakes. It's automatic. It's an AC car, but it's not hooked up, of course. Yeah, it's got a new battery. Like I said, the paint job's decent. And he does drive it. It's tagged and inspected. Got the light. The dash is really nice. Sorry, it's real sunny in this direction. I'm trying to capture it. Door shuts good. Okay, so here's the back of the car. We got it in here backed up because we rubberized the trunk. I know it's hard to see. We rubberized the trunk and we was about to just paint it black. So that's the only reason it's in here. Missing the latch, but that's no big deal. Sorry, I stepped on a toy. New radiator. Runs and drives good. Go hit the gas on it. All right. So we've added one more to the mix. Decided to bring the 68 GTO over here. and the Scarab. Probably go back and get the other one. Bring it back too. But this GTO is pretty nice, man. Still got the key. It's not really that rusty. That dent's probably the worst thing about the car. It's got a few spots here and there, but definitely restorable. So we got the GTO, the Duster, the Roadrunner, the Challenger. Don't forget about the Satellite. Scarab. We was gonna bring the Gran Torino out here, but I think we have the Gran Torino. Hold up, Dad. Let's show everybody the 440 motor. And it says Mopar on the hoses. You see that? It says Mopar on the hoses. So the 440 goes with the Roadrunner GTX 440 car. I'm thinking it's one of 117 that were made that year. Challenger's super rare. It's a 70 Challenger RT SE, which would mean it had the smaller back window. It would have had the overhead console, which is what all this wiring right here is for. There's an AC car. Super rare. Google says across the registry, 253 known RTs hardtops to exist. Add SE option to it. I'm sure it's a lot rare. So, what else am I gonna bring out here? I don't know. They're having a local trade days thing coming up this weekend again. So we're just gonna line them up and see what happens.